Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of visiting my channel, you're welcome. If you've been before and you have subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a very easy butterfly kaftan top. So let's get into the video. The fabric is 70 inches in width and 62 inches in length. So you want to fold first across the length of the fabric like that. And once you do that, you want to fold across the width. You will end up with 4 sides. So we're cutting the front and the back together. Make sure the fabric is aligned properly, lengthwise, and the width, make sure it's properly aligned. Any tiny excess can be cut off later, but make sure you have your accurate measurement. Now we're gonna start with the neck. We're gonna be taking 4 inches for the width of the kaftan and 3 inches for the neck depth. So first measure 3 inches like that. Remember, that's the place on fold. That's the place on fold. Then you take 4 inches for the width of the neck. Then connect it together. So this is a round neck. You can make a V-neck if you want, or any shape, but this is a round neck. The next thing now, we're gonna be measuring the sleeve area. I'm gonna be taking 10 for the sleeve. I'll measure 10, make a mark on that side first. Then from that markings, I'm gonna be taking 7 inches from the 10-inch sleeve area. I'm gonna be measuring 7 inches down. Then I'm gonna be making a marking. I want you to take note, I'm not gonna be sewing on that place. I'm gonna be coming in, considering my waist measurement. So we'll be taking 16 inches from the shoulder line to my waistline, which is 16. If yours is 17 or 15, yeah, take it. But this is 16 inches. Yeah. Then the next thing is the waist circumference. And the waist circumference divided by 4. So that's it there. You make the mark. That's the waist circumference. So you want to make the marking we made first at the edge of the fabric. So the first, that 10 inches sleeve area, yeah. So that's the 10 inches we took on the side. Then the 7 inches we're going to stitch down. That's the 7 inches. So we're going to be connecting the markings together here. Don't forget, from the shoulder line right up to that point is 17 inches. That means 1 inch was added to the waistline. The waistline was 16, so plus 1 inch, we made it 17. Now we're going to be cutting a neckline. Take care when you're cutting the neckline. And now I'm going to be opening it up. Before you open it up, place a notch on the neckline and the angles. So when it's opened up, you know exactly where to work on. So you want to add a shape to your top and make it a bit curvy on the side. That is optional. Only if you want, you can give that top a shape. And I'm going to be doing that, just curving it out on the side to give it a curvy shape on the sides. After doing that, the next thing you want to cut a facing for the neck, then transfer that to the right side, then stitch all the way around. So now I'm going to be cutting the facing like that. So your facing, the fabric you're going to be using for your facing, it's got to be folded the same way the top is folded, with an opening there and with a fold on the side, exactly how you folded the top. Then place it like that. Make sure they are equal and make sure everything is fully aligned. Then you can start cutting out your facing. Alternatively, before doing that, you can use your tailor's chalk like I'm doing and make your markings so it's accurate. So you want to take 2.5 inches for the facing. You can take 3 if you want. The wider it is, the better it lays flat inside of your top. But on this occasion, I'm taking 2.5. So you want to connect all the markings together like that to give it the exact shape of your neckline and cut it. Be careful when you're cutting, as any mistake can affect you when you are stitching down the facing on your neckline. So be very careful not to make any mistake. And if you think your fabric is unstable, make sure you use pins to hold it down before you cut. So here is our facing for the neckline. So when stitching the facing, you've got to align it with the neck of the kaftan, sewing all the way around. You can apply pins first before you sew. I'm going to be applying an interfacing, also called a gum stay, to my facing. This is optional if you haven't got one, but it is advisable. And iron the right place and just give it a trim out. So the next thing is to transfer the markings on the wrong side to the right side of the top. You'll be stitching down the right side of the fabric and not stitching down the wrong side because it's a butterfly top. So the stitches come on top of the fabric, as you can see, and not the wrong side. So guys, here's the finished look of the kaftan. If you've enjoyed the video and you would like to give it a try, make sure you subscribe for more of this. Remember to like, share, and comment down below. And I would like to hear from you guys. See you in my next video, and bye for now.